guys, it's Audra from the Offbeat Owl blog, and today I'm going to take you through a slow tour of the springtime garden. There's not a lot happening yet, but we have a lot of seeds planted, and I've been weeding the gardens and taking care of a few things around the house, and I'm super excited to show you. See him? Oh, Case, look. Do you see him, Case? There they go. Say bye, little ducks. They're so cute. Gardening has been in full swing for me since about February. And no, it's not because the season started in February. It's just because I started seeds. I tried to keep a lot of my seedlings alive. There was a lot of disappointments, let me just be honest. I don't have a very big space, so I already have to keep my expectations in check, and that still doesn't work because I get way too ambitious. But now that spring is finally coming to a close, a lot of my efforts are coming to fruition. And of course, many things like I'm going to show you today aren't going to be producing until later in the season, but it's just such a joy to see them alive and surviving, I guess.
Will you go out there when you tell me to go out there? Will you? Will.
strive for a slower paced life, a simple life. This has become a popular concept as far as I've seen. A lot of us, if you are like me at least, strive to buck the system, if you will. Maybe I'm just stubborn, but I like to prove to myself that I can do something, whether it's bread making or growing dozens of tomato plants from seed. 48 to be exact. I think a lot of people get too intimidated by gardening, just like trying anything new. You think you have to know it all, but you don't. Just like this year, I've learned how to grow lavender, sage, tomatoes from seed, not to mention potatoes, garlic. I didn't know how to grow any of these things last year, and I'm still learning every day. It's a lot of trial and error, but each problem helps you grow, pun intended. I've spent most of my life being intimidated by almost everything: people, jobs, hobbies. But there comes a point when you just get over it. Why would I let my life go to waste because of fear of the unknown and the fear of failure? Sometimes I think we don't relish enough in the mundane. We're always striving to get to the bigger picture, the grand finale. We take for granted the rain, the heat, weeding the garden, baking the bread. I'm not saying these things are for everyone, but if you find something that you enjoy, I hope you pursue it. in my life. I adore flowers because, indeed, they are not permanent, and at the end of each season they fade away, leaving only a fresh bed of soil to be cultivated for the next season behind. Rain is like this too. It washes away everything. Often, I go by the water near our home and just sit and pray. I can almost feel all of my worries wash away with each raindrop on the trees.